morning students, welcome to your summer camp 2021. In this summer camp, we will learn about Vedic maths and some mathematical tricks. I hope you will enjoy it. In this video, we will know about introduction of Vedic maths and how can we do addition in Vedic maths. Let us start first from introduction. Vedic maths was founded by His Holiness Jagat Guru Swami Shri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji Maharaj. His book Vedic Mathematics published in 1965. जगत गुरु स्वामी श्री भारती कृष्णा तीर्था जी महाराज ने एक बुक पब्लिश की थी जिसका नेम था वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स. वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स इज द नेम गिवन टू द एंशिएंट सिस्टम ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स विच वॉज रीडिस्कवर्ड फ्रॉम वेदास बिटवीन 1911 टू 1918. वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स इस बुक को नाम इसलिए दिया गया क्योंकि जो इसमें मैथमेटिक्स के जो फॉर्मूला थे वो वेदों से रीडिस्कवर्ड किए हुए हैं. देयर आर 16 सूत्रास एंड 13 सब सूत्रास एंड सूत्रास आर इन संस्कृत ट्रांसलेटेड इन इंग्लिश. बेसिकली इट मीन्स वर्ड फॉर्मूले. संस्कृत में हम फॉर्मूलाज को सूत्र बोलते हैं. जगत गुरु स्वामी श्री भारती कृष्ण Tirtha Ji Maharaj was born in 1884, awarded the title of Saraswati by the Madras Sanskrit Association for his proficiency in Sanskrit. Proficiency means निपुणता. उनकी संस्कृत में निपुणता होने की वजह से उन्हें सरस्वती के टाइटल का अवार्ड मिला था. They completed 7 master degrees. Now question arises here, what do you mean by Vedic maths? इट इज़ एन एंशिएंट टेक्निक, यानी कि ये एक पुरानी टेक्निक है विच सिंप्लीफाइज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजिबिलिटी, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स, स्क्वेयरिंग, क्यूबिंग, स्क्वेयर एंड क्यूब रूट्स. वैदिक मैथ्स जो है एक पुरानी टेक्निक है जिसके थ्रू हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजिबिलिटी को, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स, स्क्वेयर या क्यूब निकालना या स्क्वेयर एंड क्यूब रूट निकालना, इनको हम सिंपल बना सकते हैं. इवन फ्रैक्शंस और रैकरिंग डेसिमल्स कैन बी हैंडल बाय वैदिक मैथ्स. इवनली जो है हम फ्रैक्शंस और डेसिमल नंबर्स को भी वैदिक मैथ्स की हेल्प से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाई इज वैदिक मैथ्स इंपॉर्टेंट? सो वैदिक मैथ क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इट हेल्प्स अ पर्सन टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स 10 to 15 टाइम्स फास्टर. इट मीन्स ये हमारी स्पीड को इंक्रीज करता है ताकि हम जल्दी जो है प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकें. सेकेंड, इट रिड्यूसेस बर्डन. ये हमारी बर्डन को कम करता है बिकॉज वी हैव टू लर्न टेबल्स अप टू 10 ओनली. इट प्रोवाइड्स ओनली 1 लाइन आंसर. इट इज़ अ मैजिकल टूल टू रिड्यूस स्क्रैच वर्क एंड फिंगर काउंटिंग. तो वैदिक मैथ जो है वो हमारे पेपर वर्क को भी कम करता है एंड हम जो फिंगर्स पे काउंट करके कैलकुलेशन करते हैं उसको भी रिड्यूस करता है. इट इंक्रीज कंसंट्रेशन, और इससे जो है हमारी कंसंट्रेशन पावर जो है वो इंक्रीज होती है. टू डू फास्ट कैलकुलेशन यू हैव टू लर्न एडिशन टेबल्स फ्रॉम 1 to 10. एंड आल्सो इफ यू आर लर्निंग द टेबल्स, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर लर्निंग दैट 9 plus 8 that is equal to 17. So you have to don't count on the fingers. You have to direct give the answer 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. And you have to mainly learn its last digit. Its AND digit is 7. So this is our AND digit. And now one more example of it. 7 plus 5 that is 12. Don't count on the fingers. You have to direct give the answer. So its AND digit is 2. So it means when you are learning the addition tables, you have to learn AND digit also. Also, you have to learn multiplication tables from 1 to 10. Now, let us discuss about addition. There are 2 types of combinations. First is non-carry combinations and second is carry combinations. Let us take example of it. 4 plus 5 that is equal to 9. 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. Now let us take one more example. 8 plus 9, that is equal to 17. 7 plus 6, that is equal to 13. If you get one digit answer, then it is a non-carry combination. If you get two digit answer, then that is a carry combinations. So first two are non-carry combinations and second two are carry combinations. In non-carry combinations, we will solve the sums related to 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers. As we know, when we add the sums, the first we add ones place digit, then tens place digit and so on. But in Vedic maths, we have to add in reverse order. We have to add the sums from left to right, not from right to left. That means if we are adding the sums, we have to add first tens place digit, then ones place digit. So 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, that is 87. इसमें हमें पहले टेंस प्लेस का डिजिट ऐड किया है, फिर उसके बाद वंस प्लेस का, क्योंकि जब हम नंबर को बोलते हैं तो हम पहले टेंस का ही बोलते हैं. अगर हम राइट टू लेफ्ट सॉल्व करते हैं नंबर को, फिर हमें उसको रिवर्स करके उसके बाद उसका आंसर राइट डाउन करना होता है, तो इट टेक्स मोर टाइम एज कंपेयर टू दिस मेथड. सो इन द सेम वे वी विल सॉल्व दिस सम. 4 plus 3 tens place digit 7, 2 plus 7 that is 9. Now next, additions of 3 digit number. So in the first question here numbers are given to you 438 and 361 and you have to add these numbers. So first we have to add 100 place digits. So 3 plus 4, 7. Then tens place digit, 6 plus 3, 9. Then ones place digit, 1 plus 8, 9. So answer is here 799. Let us take one more example of it. So number is here given to you 345 and 103. So we have to add first 100 place digit. 1 plus 3, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. And 3 plus 5. In the same way, we have to add first 100 place digit, then tens place digit, then ones place digit. So number is here given to you 438 and 361. So let us add 3 plus 4, 7, 6 plus 3, 9, 1 plus 8, 9. So answer is here 799. In the same way, let us do next example. So number is here given to you 345 and 103 and you have to add this. So first we have to add left digit. So 1 plus 3 that is 4. Then tens place digit 0 plus 4, 4. Then ones place digit 3 plus 5, 8. So answer is here 448. Now in non-carry combinations, addition of 4 digit number in the same way we have to do. So we have to start from 1000 place digit. So if we are adding 4 plus 3, we know that 7. तो हमें ये पता है कि 7000 आंसर जरूर आएगा. तो फर्स्ट जो डिजिट है उसका 7 होगा. तो इस तरीके से हम क्वेश्चंस को जल्दी सॉल्व करते हैं. Orally we can give the answers. So 1 plus 2, 3. तो 7300. 2 plus 5, 7. तो 7307 and 3 plus 3, 6. So its answer is 7376. In the same way, you can solve it orally. Next question. 3 plus 4, 7. 7000. 1 plus 7, 8. 7800. Then 6. Then 5. So answer is here 7865. Now let us start carry combinations. In this we will solve the sum related to 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit numbers. As we know, in Vedic math we have to solve the sums from left to right. So let us start this. First, addition of 2 digit numbers. Now, so first question is here 36 plus 18. 1 plus 3, that is 4. And 8 plus 6, we will get 14. So it is a carry combination and we have to learn according to the addition table only its AND digit. So 8 plus 6 का जो AND digit है that is 4 and we have to add 1 in the left digit. So answer is here 54. In the same way, let us do one more example. 78 plus 24. So here tens place digit is 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7 is 9 and 8 plus 4, that is a carry combination. So 8 plus 4, 12. So its AND digit is 2 and we have to add 1 in the tens place digit. So we will get 10. So answer is here 102. Now let us understand carry combinations, additions of 3-digit numbers. So in the same way we have to start from the 100 place digit. So 4 plus 5, 9, 3 plus 2, 5, 7 plus 4. This is a carry combination. We know that 7 plus 4, 11. Its AND digit is 1. So we have to here write 1 and add 1 in the left digit. So we will get here 6. So its answer is here 961. Now let us do one more example of it. So question is here 423 and 192. You have to add these numbers. So we have to start from left, that is 100 place digit. We will get here 1 plus 4, 5. Now 9 plus 2, this is a carry combination. So 9 plus 2, 11. So we have to write here only 1 and add 1 in the left digit. So we will get 6. So 3 plus 2, 5. So answer is here 615. So at the 1000 place 7 and 1 is given to you. So 1 plus 7, 8. Now at 100 place digit 7 and 4 are here. So 4 plus 7, 11. So it is a carry combination. So we have to write 1 and add 1 in the left digit, that is 9. Now take tens place digit 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now at the ones place 6 and 8 are given. So 6 plus 8, 14, because this is a carry combination. So we have to write only 4 at the ones place and add 1 in the left digit. So answer is here 9194. If you want to solve it orally, so first you have to find which are the carry combinations. So here 2 plus 5 is non-carry combination. Then 7 plus 9 is a carry combination. 8 plus 3 is also a carry combination. 9 plus 2 is also a carry combination. So let us start first on solving 1000 place digit. 2 plus 5 is 7. But at the 100 place, that is a carry combination. So we have to add 1. So we will write here 8. Now 7 plus 9, its AND digit is 6. So we have to add 1 in it, 7. Now next tens place digit 8 plus 3, 11. Its AND digit is 1, but we have to add in 1 because at the ones place there is a carry combination. Now last, which is at ones place, 9 plus 2, 11, but we have to write only its AND digit, that is 1. So answer is over here 8721 is 11. So at the ones place is here 1. So its AND digit is 1. So we have to keep it in mind, and for the next digit 1 we have to draw a line here. Now 1 is in our mind. So we add 1 into 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. So we will get 15. So 5 is in our mind and for 1 we have to draw a line. So which is in our mind, that is at the ones place. So 5 is at the ones place, and how many line we draw here? 1 and 2. So here 2 will come. So answer is here 25. Now, so 4 plus 9, 13. So 3 is in mind. So for 1 we have to draw a line here. Now we will add 3 in 8, 11. Again 2 digit number. So 1 is in our mind. For the next one we have to draw one line. Now 1 in our mind. So we will add next in it. 5 plus 1, 6. Then 6 plus 2, 8. So last digit which is in our mind, that is 8. Now you have to add the lines which we draw. Now we will count the number of lines which we draw here. 1, 2. So 2 lines are here. So answer is 28. So if we want to find the sum of 2 digit number, in the same way we have to find the sum, but we have to do separately. First we will find the sum of the ones place digit, then at the tens place digit. So in the same way we will find the sum. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 plus 3, 13. So we will got here 2 digit number. Carry combination. So 3 is in our mind. For 1 we have to draw a line. Now 3 add in 8. We will get 11. So 11 is in our mind. So we have to draw a line. And 1 we have to write here. And how many lines we draw here? 1, 2. So its answer is 21. Now digits at the tens place. 7 plus 6, 13. So 3 is in our mind. We have to draw line for 1. So now 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Plus 2, 16. So 6 in our mind and draw one line for it. So 6 in our mind. So we write here 6 as it is. And how many lines we will draw here? 1 and 2. So answer is 26. After that we have to balance this. So we have to write last digit as it is. So its answer is ones place 1. And this number 2 will add in 26. We will get 28. So answer is here 281. Thank you and have a nice day.